What's up everyone, welcome to my first video. So as you could probably tell by the title of this video, I've bought a Bmw E46, which is right behind me. We'll get into that in a few minutes. So before this video starts, I just want to let you know that in this video I'll do a quick walk around of the car, show you the damage that's done to the car, and also tell you why I bought this car and what my future plans are with this car. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, it's a Bmw E46 320i Coupe, but it has the 2.2 litre petrol engine, which has 170 brake horsepower. Now let's get on to the damage. From looking at the front, you can see something is off, and you would be correct. The damage happened to the front of the hood mainly. The hood is dented at the front here and the grills are broken. Also at the top of the hood you can see the clear coat is peeling off quite bad. So I'm just going to mainly replace the hood and the car will look good again. The bumper is okay apart from some paint coming off here, and paint is cracked here. I'm not sure if you can see that. So the car came with 18-inch alloys that are currently stored waiting for summer. It is winter season, but unfortunately there's not much snow. All the snow has disappeared. So I'm currently running 16-inch wheels with some winter tires on for winter. Okay, so moving on to the rear of the car, everything looks quite stock. Even this rust here, it's normal for these cars. The lights are a bit dull, they will have to be replaced most likely. There is a custom exhaust, and it's just the muffler that has been replaced. Other than that, it's all stock. I'll show you what it sounds like in a bit. So overall, apart from being dirty at the moment, the car is in pretty good shape. That's the main reason why I bought this car. Okay, so moving on to the interior now. As you can see straight away, we have some black leather interior, which is quite nice. It's not in the best shape because you can see it's ripped here. We have a multifunctional steering wheel, which actually works. We have an aftermarket radio, which is quite nice, has the aux cable, that's all I need for music. You can see the shift knob is definitely not from an E46, I think it's off a 1 series or a 3 series. And it's showing 6 gears, but this car only has 5, so that will be replaced. I don't even like this shifter. We have an armrest, and the headliner is unfortunately white or grey, whatever you want to call it. I will maybe be replacing it to a black one later on down the road. Other than that, everything is normal, as it should be. So the car is quite dirty, as you can see. It is winter and I still didn't get a chance to clean the car. Hopefully towards the end of winter I will do a full detail on this car, inside and outside. So that's pretty much it for the interior. I'll show you what the car sounds like and then we can get on to the next part of the video. Part of the video I just want to answer a couple of questions that you might be interested in if you want to keep watching my channel. So starting off with the first question, which you probably want to know, is how the damage happened. And the previous owner actually told me how it happened. So basically he said that when he was driving at night, a deer ran out onto the road and he hit the deer, which is actually quite believable looking at the damage. It's only the hood that has been dented and the grills are cracked. if it was a collision with a different car, I'm sure there would be a lot more damage. The bumper would be broken as well. So I do actually believe that. Towards the end of winter, I'm just going to buy a new hood and the car is going to look like it should again. So the second question I want to answer is why I bought this car. So I just wanted a cheap drift car for winter, just to have some fun with, that I don't really care about like my previous car. And this is the car I bought. I wanted an E36 or an E46. I do like the E36 a bit more, but the E46 is quite nice as well to drift, so I got this for quite a good deal. I didn't really mind the damage. I'll easily fix that and then I'll have a nice car again. Now moving on to the last question, that's probably the most important question, is what I want to do with this car. What's the future plans for this car? And there is 3 options that I can choose from, which I'm still not 100% sure on which option I want to go for. So starting off with the first option is to just fix this car up, clean this car inside, outside, get it looking really nice again, and keep it as a daily car, and then buy a second car that I can use as more of a drift car. So the second option would be to fix the damage, which is probably mainly the hood, and maybe change the bumper so it looks a lot better. Clean this car up inside and outside and try to sell the car and make some profit. I did buy the car for quite a good deal, so I should be able to make some profit off the car. So that would be option 2. Okay, so moving on to the third option, which is probably the best option for running a YouTube channel, and the main reason why I bought this car in the first place is to make it into a daily drift car. So a few mods that I would do to make it into a drift car is definitely weld the diff, maybe get some bucket seats, a hydro e-brake, new steering wheel, also an angle kit, a short shifter, and probably a couple of other mods that I can't remember off the top of my head. So that's the main reason why I bought the car in the first place, and probably my favourite option. But I'm still not 100% sure on which option I want to pick from them 3 options. I'm sure when I find out, I'll definitely let you know. So these were the main questions that I wanted to answer. If you have any other questions, make sure to leave some comments. If you have any video ideas, make sure to leave them in the comments. I'll definitely answer to all of them. I do have some ideas like POV driving videos, learning how to drift. It is winter, the snow is gone now, but hopefully it will come back soon and we can get some drifting videos as well. I also do photography, which you can check out my Instagram. I might make like a POV photography video. If you want to check out my Instagram, I'll leave it in the comments section and also on the screen. So that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Also hit the like button because